Thursday, students gathered outside of John Robert Lewis Hall as Troy's Black Student Union and Nu Theta chapter of Delta Sigma Theta hosted its 4th annual Unity Walk.
This is the event hosted by the Nu Theta chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated and the Trojan Black Student Union. This event was to encourage unity and promote the month of Black history.
This year's Unity Walk speaker was Phyllis Harvey Hall, a Democratic candidate for Alabama's 2nd Congressional District seat.
We have to be willing and make it about inviting people of different ethnicities, different religion, just bringing them here to the space, and you're willing to find a shared space where people feel free to actually be who they are and be accepted. You have to continue to reach out to people. I think you have to continue to engage with them. That's going to be what we have to do. Focus on our common humanity and having a good life.
Harvey Hall praised Troy for its ability to bring people together.
I see Troy as a meeting space. It's sort of like America because it is known to being like an international college where we have people coming from all over the world to come to this university. And I think that's wonderful. I love the ideal of what Troy is doing and the actual aggressive outreach that you're making. And I saw that at the Unity Walk, and it was encouraging, and it was something to remind me of our shared humanity.
This year's walk encouraged people to be the change and help spark unity across the nation. William Eldridge, Troy, TrojanVision News.